Extreme Pore Cleaning Blackhead Removal Makeover, Before-After Results. Today we are performing an extreme pore cleaning treatment combined with a blackhead removal makeover. Over time, pores can become clogged with oil, dirt, and dead skin cells. This buildup can make the skin look dull and uneven. This treatment focuses on deep cleansing the pores and restoring smooth, clear skin. Understanding pore congestion. Pore congestion happens when oil and dead skin cells accumulate inside the pores. When these pores remain open, the trapped material oxidizes and turns black, forming blackheads. This is a common issue in oily and combination skin types. Deep cleansing facial process. The treatment begins with cleansing the skin to remove surface impurities. Next, steam is applied to open the pores and soften the buildup inside. This preparation step is essential for effective extraction. Blackhead removal makeover. Using professional tools, the esthetician carefully removes blackheads from the pores. Each extraction is performed gently to avoid damaging the skin. As more pores are cleaned, the skin begins to look smoother and clearer. Skin recovery. After extraction, soothing products are applied to calm the skin. Hydrating treatments help restore moisture and improve the skin barrier. This step ensures that the skin remains healthy after the procedure. Before-after transformation, the final results show a clear improvement in the skin. The pores are cleaner, the texture is smoother, and the skin looks more refreshed. Regular deep pore cleaning can help maintain these results.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.